starting our day at the pool. Next stop, PB Skate Park. Let's see what they got going on in here. Looks like a pretty decent park for some skateboarding action. Time to hit the road again. Cruising through Lakewood, Ohio today. Check out this cool little town by the lake. Beautiful waterfront area with plenty of parking. Perfect spot to chill and enjoy the view. Wow, look at that house, so grand. Back on the bike, exploring more of Lakewood. Loving these tree-lined streets, so peaceful compared to the city center. Makes you appreciate the quiet moments. What do you guys think? City life or suburban vibes? Let me know in the comments. Always love hearing your thoughts on my rides. Another impressive home along the way. These houses are seriously something else. Imagine living there. Pulling into Bay Village now. This place is gorgeous. Love the architecture and landscaping. Definitely worth checking out if you're ever in the Cleveland area. Highly recommend it. Riding down the main street. Feels so good to be out here. On two wheels, nothing beats the freedom of the open road. What's your favorite motorcycle route? Share it below. I'm always looking for new places to explore. Ending the ride at Edgewater Beach. Beautiful.